Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. So Amazon Prime Day and Black Friday are having a baby, and it's called Prime Early Access Sale, and it's happening tomorrow, October 11th and October 12th. Prepare to be sick of me. I have so many videos, so many recommendations. Today I'm going to share all the details, all the tea, and I'm also going to be doing a lot of Amazon gift card giveaways. So this is the channel to be if you're an Amazon lover and you have a ton of things on your wish list. The sale starts tonight at midnight, so all the things that will be discounted for those 2 days that aren't flash deals start tonight. So today I'm going to be sharing all my tips, all the information that I know, things that will be on sale and are worth it, things that maybe aren't and you should maybe pass up on. And I'm going to be doing an Amazon gift card giveaway. I'm partnering up with Amazon Home, so all the rules to that will be at the end of the video. I'm also posting a ton on Instagram, like flash deals. I'm doing Instagram reels and stories and just like all up-to-date stuff. And of course on this channel I will be posting every single day, so subscribe and follow me there if you haven't already. I'll have everything linked down below, including my Amazon shop. Well, technically I can't leak any specific deals. If you go to this page, you might see some things that may or may not be on sale. So let's get into it. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably saw this reel that I did with some of my favorite Amazon organization finds. I also have an entire tab on my Amazon shop and I've done videos. One of my favorite things to get from Amazon is anything and everything home organization, because it's usually pretty discounted. You can get them in bulk. Around Black Friday and Prime Day, I pick up so many acrylic organizers or storage containers. Anything that has to do with home organization and storage usually goes on sale only like a few times a year, and this is the time to get them. So if you've been eyeing, you know, those very satisfying TikToks, if you want to put your spices in the cute little containers or anything like that, I highly recommend just adding them to your wish list right now, or even to your cart, creating deal alerts. Something unfortunately I think is a skip, especially to this sale specifically. I feel like during Black Friday a lot of TVs get extremely discounted, and that's probably the cheapest you can find all year, but I personally didn't see a lot of TVs that were worth it. The discounts weren't even that good, so I don't think this is a time to buy TV. Personally, this is just my opinion. I don't think they're skipping Black Friday this year. They're just doing an earlier sale. So if you're eyeing TVs or bigger appliances and things like that, I would wait until the rest of the retailers catch up to Amazon. You know, the well-known time of year when a lot of appliances, big appliances, go down. And same thing with TVs. I think this is the time to skip TVs and go for smaller electronics like AirPods or iPad. And y'all, arguably the most exciting thing that I saw in, you know, the behind the scenes, y'all, so many Apple products will be on sale. Another huge tip that I have for y'all is to buy early, especially tomorrow. I feel like the best deals happen that first day. So by the time October 12th rolls around, some things will be on sale, some things will be specific to that day, but for the most part a lot of them end after the first day. So I would highly recommend just going through the things that you want and just buying them. You can always cancel, you can always return them. You know, Amazon is amazing about free returns and things like that, but I wouldn't wait longer than that 24-hour period. Once midnight rolls around and it's October 12th, a lot of those deals might be gone and you might miss out. So many power tools are on sale, and usually, especially during Prime Day, I'm like, skip them, they're never a good deal. But y'all, they are a great deal. Even mowing, like lawn machines, are on super sale, which had me shook. So if you're looking for any like home improvement items, even like hardware, light fixtures, fans, faucets, things like that, if you're in the process of remodeling, if you want to invest in a tool collection, if you're wanting to shop early Christmas gifts, this is the time to get those, because I've never seen them drop like by hundreds of dollars. So I'm definitely going to be purchasing some myself because, as y'all know, I'm out of control. It can be super expensive. So if you can save, there's so many of those on sale tomorrow. So I highly recommend just adding the deal alerts. That way when the price drops, you'll get a notification on your Amazon app. I feel like clothing is just not a good deal during these sales. They usually just do 10% off, and usually you can find coupons and deals every other month for those. So if you have a budget and you don't want to splurge like a ton, maybe just skip on the clothing unless you see something that's an amazing deal. I remember last year the exercise dress that I'm obsessed with was $10 off. That's a good deal because it ended up being like $14, but like 10% off is like $1 or $2, you know? So yes, it adds up, but I don't think it's worth it. I would skip on honestly a lot of home decor. I know that's kind of sad to hear because it's super exciting to get new home decor on sale, but from my experience, a lot of furniture, a lot of bedding, a lot of mattresses, things like that, their price gets like spiked before the sales like Black Friday and Prime Day, and then they magically drop again to the original price that it was a few weeks ago. You can use Honey or other extensions to see their price drops and price history, but I would just skip on home decor, especially seasonal decor. I find that none of the Christmas decorations, Halloween decorations go on sale this time of year. However, something I would definitely get is organization items. Another thing that's my favorite thing to get during these sales is hangers. I know that's pretty random and almost a little boring, but y'all, hangers can really add up, especially when you're getting like the nice velvet hangers. I've looked everywhere. These are the best deal. They are the Amazon Basics hangers. They come in different styles. They have some with the clips for the pants and skirts. I have all of them, and they sell them in these huge 100 packs, and they get super discounted. I literally have an entire box in my closet just to have from last Prime Day. So I highly recommend, if you're in the market for new hangers, maybe you want to, you know, get rid of those plastic ones, invest in nicer ones, or you just need extra because you are obsessed with shopping like I am, then those are the best deal ever, and these are like the best prices to get them at. Okay, I saw a ton of baby and mom related products in the list that I got for the deals, and here's the thing, during like these sales I tend to get big baby stuff. So I got our baby monitor last year, I got the car seat that she uses, I got like bigger things because little things like Kite Baby onesies go on sale but like 10% off. We're talking car seats are $200 off. Monitors are like in bundles and you get them for like $100 instead of $300. Things like that. The outlet sock, the baby breast machine, bigger things that are more investment pieces are way more discounted than, you know, like posh peanut bamboo onesies. So I would prioritize that, especially if you're on a budget, and I would get the bigger items. So many strollers are on sale, well, are gonna be on sale. So many car seats, pack and plays, cribs, gliders for the nursery, and I'm sure they'll be on sale again on Black Friday, but if you can get them now, especially if you need them by Black Friday, then do so. There's two things that everyone and their mother on my Instagram story talked about. I asked y'all what was on your wish list, and I did a little giveaway there, and almost everyone said either a coffee machine or a vacuum cleaner. A lot of the Bissell, I know y'all get so annoyed at me, but I can never remember how to say it. Those products will be on sale. So I'm gonna be doing a reel tonight with all my cleaning favorites because so many of my go-tos will be on sale. But if you're like eyeing that brand Bissell, especially like the upholstery cleaning machine, the steam cleaner, things like that, those will definitely be on sale tomorrow. And a lot of their power vacuums, like power cord, carpet cleaners, things like that, usually are on sale, and they'll be about 30% off or up to 35% off. So they are a great deal. It's a great time to get them, and once again, I'm sure like across other retailers they'll match that price point, so you can check out Walmart if you can find what you're looking for, or even Target, but usually Amazon has like all of them. And the coffee makers, literally so many people are buying coffee makers, myself included. If you've been watching my previous videos and vlogs, the Nespresso machine, like, this is the best deal you're gonna get. This is when we purchased our Nespresso machine. And then, as y'all know, if you watch my vlogs, recently we bought the Breville espresso machine, the manual one, and unfortunately that one is not going to be on sale, which is super disappointing because it was on sale like 2 weeks ago. So I would skip that if that is the one that you're wanting. Another one that I saw on sale is the new Keurig, the one that's like really fancy. That one's gonna be $80 off, which is a pretty good deal if you like that kind of coffee. I personally like espresso, so I go for other machines. But yeah, then espresso machines are about 25% off, and then the Keurig varies, but the newest one will be $80 off, which is such a steal. And I will keep a lookout for more, but everything once again is on my Amazon storefront. So now onto the giveaway. I am so excited to be working with Amazon again because I am giving away $500 in an Amazon online gift card to one of you. All you have to do is be subscribed to my channel, be following me on Instagram, and follow Amazon Home over on Instagram. And then in a few days after the Prime sale is over, I will go ahead and pin in this video the winner and contact them on their Instagram. So definitely enter if you want to get Amazon stuff, and just comment whatever you feel like. You can comment what you're wanting to get with this gift card, what you're excited to see on sale tomorrow. Let me know. Like I said, prepare to be sick of me because I have so many more recommendations coming tomorrow. I'm gonna run through all the deals and all the good stuff. I'm posting bright and early, so stay tuned for that. And I'm doing another giveaway in tomorrow's video. So subscribe if you haven't already. Definitely follow me on Instagram if you want to enter, but also just to keep up with all the quicker deals. And I will talk to you guys very soon in my next one. Bye.